What's up, everybody? It is Friday, end of the week, finally already here. The SPY is, interestingly enough, almost flat again. We were up 28 points at one time. Actually looks like a little bit above 30 points at one time. Now we're heading right back down to yesterday's close. So, stuff I gotta focus on today is big buyers and sellers in timing sales show strong direction. I was practicing the other day, and I noticed that on one of the stocks that I was trading that it had a huge move up, and I really wanted to know why it happened, because it just kind of really came out of nowhere, I guess, and everything that I was noticing was on the time and sales. Thinkorswim has an option where you can change the size, and you can sort it by how big the size is. You can have it showing shares that are 200 or greater, or 500 or greater, or 1,000 or greater. So I set it to 1,000 or greater, and it was just loading up, all green, just 1,000 plus, 1,000, 5,000. So that's something I gotta watch out for today, because I know that definitely made a huge difference. Only taking A+ setups. Don't get antsy on gap trades. Don't force it to work. Yesterday with I think it was the YNDX, pulled back a little bit, and it pulled back a little too far. I ended up taking it anyway with half size, which I never do on gap trades, but I thought it might be a good idea that one time. Obviously didn't work out. Should have just waited for it to be the usual gap and go trade and take out the highs of the day. So gotta watch out for that today. Pay attention to what exactly the news is. Dividend dates. On breakouts, sell halfway to your stop. I know that my best breakouts work out immediately, don't reverse on me, have no drawdowns. So if one does run against me, why do I want to let my risk go through the roof here? I can just cut half my size, turn it into a $30 loss instead of a $50 loss. My risk reward evolves during the trade. Ride the coattail of the bigger traders whenever you see that those huge buyers or sellers on time and sales. Protect your capital. If you have no drawdown, get aggressive. Wait for bars to close is the same as being patient. Be patient, don't force anything, and no emotion. No fear of missing out. Take what the market gives you, react to what the market gives you, and don't put anything in the market from yourself. So the only up gap stock that I'm looking at today is this NTNX. It's actually making a really nice setup right now. If it kind of sits around this area, I'll definitely be looking to take it over the high of the day here. It got upgraded to a conviction buy, which I've seen buy obviously, but whatever conviction buy is, sounds like a pretty nice deal. Finance sector is down today a lot. So something that I gotta watch out for is finance is down. And then really the only other stock that I'm paying attention to today is this cyber. It's down almost 18%. Huge drop off here under a bunch of resistance or support. Probably look at it later for a gap and go, maybe if NTNX doesn't work out, but NTNX is really the only trade that I'm paying attention to right now. So we'll just have to see what happens. Market opens up in 5 minutes. I will turn it on then. Alright, opening up here in just a little bit. You can see right here it's starting to pull back a little bit now from the highs. Hopefully it picks back up here. I know it's tech sector, and tech's up pretty good today. Alright, we got the open. Looks like it's trying to go under 20, 22, and it did. So that's not good. So now we got a high of 20 and a low of 95, so there's 200 shares for that. Alright, now it's turning into 30 shares, or 30 cents. If it gets up to 22.20, I want to join it. The spread's pretty big though. And it's moving down. Don't want to make the same mistake I did yesterday with YNDX, so Unless it does something here really shortly. Probably just want to take 100 shares on it. Got a low 82, so 81. Buying at 20. So yeah, it's about 40 cents here. Numbers looking better here. Alright, shouldn't take it. Definitely not seeing anything else right now, so I'll turn it back on whenever I see something. Okay, I'm gonna be done for the day. Not taking any trades at all. I was just watching PayPal here for reversal, but it kinda went off without me here. It didn't. I was really looking for a pullback somewhere around here. Never did it, and now we're just kinda running up, so definitely too late to get in on this. Don't want to get in on it anymore. The risk reward is definitely too big, but if anything, I probably could have taken it above the 5 minutes here, maybe at 13, but I was really waiting to see what this 15-minute candle was going to look like for a doji. Same with the 10 minutes, and the 5s are just kind of taking off right now, so a little too late. Review for the week here, up $42. I was 4 for 6. Definitely did really good for my goal on taking only the best setups, and it worked out decently well. They just weren't huge runners or anything. I know I missed a couple of trades in there too. Today was a whole bunch of just fake breakouts though, so definitely don't want to be trading in a market like that. Only paying 23 in commissions, so finishing the week plus 20. Fairly decent, I suppose. really slow week, honestly. There was just not a lot going on. I've never had a week where I've taken 2 days where I haven't taken any trades, so Spy's Little Green. Yeah, probably just gonna end up being the same thing next week. Just got a bunch of stuff to research and study. Bunch of old data mining for my videos. I'm probably gonna make a new spreadsheet video soon too, because I updated it a lot. I got a whole bunch of new stuff in there. But lots of practicing to do. Thanks again for watching. I'll be back on Monday.